We just picked up a new camcorder. We're going to show you how to use this. Stay with us. We'll show you how it operates. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Just picked up a new camcorder. 2.7K. Takes video and photos. We'll show you how to operate this thing and see what all it'll do, okay? All right, let's open this little guy. See what all is in here. There's the manual. Put that out of the way a second. There's your operator's manual. Right there. This is a quick operating manual. Some of it's even in English. They're right up there. Charging cable for USB. Carrying case. Look at there. That's nice of them. Batteries. Got 2 batteries. I'll get this first battery out of here if I can. There we go. Right there's the battery. Right there. There's your camera. Got another battery in there, but we're going to set that out of the way for now. There's your camera. All right. Now put the battery in right here. Push that back. Get it out of the way. Your battery has a round edge right here, round edge right here. That little guy right there, push that out of the way, okay? Battery goes in right there. Put this back on. There's where your tripod goes in. There you go. Open this little guy up. Look there. It came on. It says the battery's full right there. See that? We're in video. Here's your mode change right here. Put the mode. See how it goes to camera? You see that? It went to camera right there. Now you can take a picture. Right up here is zoom. There's your start stop for camera and video and all that. So let's take us a picture and see what we can do here. We'll just take a picture right here. All right. You want to open this. There's your charging port and your USB where you can connect to your PC. There's your connect the microphone right there. There's all your functions up and down and all that. We'll get through that in just a few minutes. That looks like LED light right there. See that little button? See how it turned the light on right there? Look it again, it turns the light off. All right. All right. Where it came on in video mode. Here's your start stop right here. Zoom. See how you can zoom in, zoom out. Start stop right there, that little button on top. Push that and we'll take a video. See it counting seconds right there? 4, 5, 6. Stop. All right. Now if you want to take a photo, go right here to the mode. Push that button once. And it goes to camera. See the camera right there? Let's go over here and take us a photo. Remember the start stop button right there on top? Take us a picture of the keyboard. There we go. Tells us we have 6,493 photos left. All right, now this came with the USB card, a 32 gigabyte. All right. Let's go look at some of the pictures and stuff. If you want to go to the view them, right there, see how the arrow came on? We press the mode. We can say, we can view them here if you want to. That's the pictures and stuff we took. All right. Just the right button. Goes through everything. Push your mode again. It went to the video camera. Press the mode again. And it went to the photographs. All right. We'll go through some of the settings here in just a minute. All right. Transfer that video and that photo to the computer. You can use the USB port right here. Get that out of the way. Connect the USB-C in right there. Get that out of the way. There we go. Okay. Go over here and connect to the USB. See where it says MSDC. Yep. Okay. See if we can connect this little guy now. We see we got it connected in up here. Let's open our File Explorer. Right there it is. DCIM. There's your video we took. There's your photo. There's the photograph we took. Pretty good little photo, isn't it? Yeah. Look at our video we just took. Counting seconds right there. 4, 5, 6. You can hear the built-in microphone. All right, well, that's how we connected it. All right, you saw how we connected it to the PC to get our files off of there. Unplug it, and it shuts the camera off. There you go. Get that out of the way. Close back up the little door there. And we're ready to go some more. 2.7K. We'll go through some of the settings. You sure you're in the mode you want. So I'm in the video mode. You change the mode right there, of course. Go over here to the OK button. Click that OK. See, it sends you into video resolution. You can go up or down, whichever you want. I like the 1080 right there. When you click on it, it enters it and it takes you out of settings. Hit the OK button again. This time hit the right button. It goes into different things. You can turn the date, set the date on and off, or it'll put it on your picture. I'm not going to do that. If you want to, just go down there and set the date, time, whatever, okay? When you click OK, it sends you out of the setup mode. Click OK again. Right button, exposure. You can tell it how many pictures you want it to take. I'm going to say 0, just one at a time type thing. Hit OK again. ISO for your balance. No, leave it on auto is what I like. Unless you're a photographer and you need the more light and all, just leave it on auto. OK again. White balance. Auto's a good one, or you can choose daylight or cloudy or tungsten, whatever, okay? But I'm going to say leave it there. Auto again. Sharpness. You can tell it soft, normal, or sharp. I'm going to leave it on sharp for now, okay? So there's your settings. You want to change over mode right there, hit your mode button. See how it goes to the camera right there? And hit the OK button again. You got mode set, auto, or whatever you need. But if you want to go to sports, like you want something fast moving, you can go there. You can go to night vision. There's portrait, landscape, bright, backlight. We don't need a backlight, so party, beach, high sensitivity. I'm going to leave it on auto, let it pick the one I need. All right, hit the OK again, right button. Photo resolution. You can change those if you want to. I'm going to leave it. It's sitting at 12, okay? 8, 5 meg, 56 meg. I think I'll put it on 56 meg for right now just to see what it'll do, okay? over again. Anti-shake is on. It kind of helps you keep it steady, okay? Face detect. Now, when you're taking a picture, it'll detect the face on it and focus in on it. You can do that if you want to. I'm not going to do it right now, so. Smile capture. It detects the smile on the face and will be ready to go and snap a picture. You can turn that on or off. Effects normal. You can turn it to black and white, red, green. See how it does? Blue, sunset, IR, negative, warm, cool. It changes all the exposure stuff in the background. Binary, look at that. Vivid. All right. Dog eye, all kinds of stuff here. I'm going to go back to normal. We're going to leave it on normal, all right? Hit the OK. Hit the right button again. Multi-snap. That way, if you hold the camera snap button down, it'll take multiple photos. But I'm not going to do that right now. You have to turn that on if you want it. Self timer. If you want to set it up and run around in front of it and let it take a picture of you, set a timer for how many seconds you want it to give you time to get around in front of it, all right? I'm not going to turn that on right now, but date stamp again. So we're back here. Turn that off. That's our settings for the camera. All right. You see how to set all the settings in there now. Should you need to change the battery, showed you how to put it in, but I'll show you. Push that back, that comes off. To get the battery out, push that little white button right there. See how it releases it? That goes back. Now, if you need to change your memory card, it's right here. Press that. There's your memory card. Press it back till it clicks. Back, bag on. You're ready to go. If you're through with the camera, it came with a nice little carrying case. Looky here. So what I'm going to do is put the USB cable in there because you may have to charge it. You can actually record or take photos while you're charging too, by the way. Put your little camera down inside here like so. And see if I can figure out how to work this. Pull that down like that. Close it up. There's your little camera. You're ready to go. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.